Hi, this is Tom with BV Security. Today I'm going to be walking you through a little known feature on our security cameras. I'm going to show you how to set up onboard recording to a micro SD card inside your camera. This is a great solution if you want to make sure you always have a backup in case of an accident with your NVR, or you just need one standalone camera, but you still want to be able to have the footage. Let's take a look at how to get this set up. All right, so let's get into it. My first step is going to be open up my IP portal tool. Got that right here. Now this software is available for download on our website. We'll scan your network and find any BV IP cameras or recorders, anything that's on the same network that your computer is. Once we have it up and running, we can see our camera here. For the purpose of this demonstration, we're using our 4 megapixel color 24/7 IP camera. And what I'm going to do is I want to log into the camera. So from this IP portal, if I just double click on the address here, that will load up my browser and take me right to the login page. So let's just go ahead and log in here. Okay, so once our camera is all loaded up, we've got our image, we know we're logged into the right camera. What we're going to do is we're going to come over to configuration right here at the top. That's going to load us into our system settings, but we're looking for something else. We're going to come down here to storage, and you can see we have schedule settings and storage management. So if we want to record to our camera directly with an SD card that's been installed into the camera, we want to come into this record schedule and make sure that we have this box checked that says enable. Now we have a couple of different options here. You can see we have Monday through Sunday, 0 to 2400 hours. We have continuous, motion alarm, or event recording. Currently, this setup is for event recording. But let's say we want to go ahead and we want to change that to be motion activated recording, meaning the camera only records when it sees movement. So let's just go ahead, we'll click this delete all button right here. We'll change from our drop down menu to motion, and then just draw in the schedule how we want it. I'm going to fill that up there. So right now my camera is scheduled to record on motion for the entire day on Monday. I can change that if I only want to record during certain hours, just clicking here and dragging this how I want it to be, moving it back and forth this way, whatever it is that I want it to be. But let's link it back to full day since that is the most common request. All right, so we've got Monday set up. Now for Tuesday, if I want to do motion, is a real easy way to get that, or if I wanted to do continuous on Tuesdays or at a specific time, I can just change my options here and I can draw in any other things. So we can do continuous here and here. You got a lot of flexibility here and can kind of set it up however it is you feel is going to work best for you. So just move that in like that, whatever it is. But our most common request is to get motion activated recording. So easy way to fill the rest of this out is we're going to come over here. We're going to click these little icon, kind of looks like 2 sheets of paper. Copy to, I'm going to select every day. Click OK. Right here on this one, I'm going to click save. Right now my camera is set up to record 24/7 all week long. So hopefully I'll never miss anything going on. Another thing that I'm going to check really quickly here is under event. Now, under event, you can see we have this grid here. And we also have this sensitivity. So with the grid, this shows us the areas that are going to be activated by the motion. So if something moves anywhere on the screen right now, the camera will start recording. I can clear that out. And if I want to do custom, I can do that too. Just draw in boxes where important areas are, let's say there was a tree in here or something that we don't really want to get triggered, we can get that all filled out and just kind of put it in the ways we want it. We also have the ability to adjust the sensitivity of the camera to make it way more sensitive or way less sensitive depending on what our goals are. Okay, so once that's done, we can go ahead and click Save. And now we're set up to record to a micro SD card installed inside of our camera. Okay, so there you have it. Now you know how to set up onboard recording to a micro SD card inside your BV security cameras. This is a great feature to have to always have a backup whenever you need it. Again, this is Tom with BV Security. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.